Hello class 2, how are you children? So today in this class we will do the subject general knowledge. Okay children, so take out your book, take out your general knowledge book. This is your general knowledge book, as you all know, junior knowledge part 2. So take out this book and today we will do page number 4646. Okay, so open your book at page number 46, right? And we will do chapter number 29 of this book. So this is chapter 29, page number is 46. Clear? Now what we will do, we will know more about the food items given in the page, isn't it? You can see picture of different kinds of food, isn't it, that we use in our daily life. Okay, so we will know more about this food today. So what are these made from? Now we will learn. We know that in our daily life every day we have such this food, so these items in our meal, isn't it? So in our everyday requirement we take all this food, but some of us may don't know what are they made up of, what are they made from. Okay, so the question is, what are these made from? What are these items, food items are made from? You have to draw arrows to show. Now what you will do, you will have to draw arrows. You can see two parts. See this side, the food items, isn't it? And this side also. Okay, so what are this food item made up of? You have to find out from this side. Clear? So how you will show? See this way. Here the bread, we can see the see loaf of bread here, isn't it? So bread is made up of what? Wheat. So we have drawn line. It is already done for you. So the next one, the rest of the thing we will do. So the first one here, this side, we can see the picture of raisins. Okay, what are raisins? Raisins are sweet in taste, and raisins are made from dried grapes. Okay, we dry the grapes. When they are dried properly, they turn into raisins. We call it raisins, and we put it in sweet dishes also, and again in pulao and other things, isn't it? You all, as a child, we all like raisins, isn't it? So they are made from grapes. So you will draw a line joining raisins with grapes. This way from here to here. Done? Do it. We'll do together. I hope all of you have taken pencil in your hand so that we can do the exercise together. Okay. So I think you have already done. Raisins are made from grapes. Okay. You will join this too. Now the next picture we can see butter. Yes, you all like butter. So what is butter made from? Butter is made from milk. Can you see the picture of milk anywhere? Yes, milk. This is milk, isn't it? So you will join this two together with the pencil. Clear? Butter with milk. Done? Then next one, bread is already done for you. Bread is made up of wheat. Then next one, sugar. Sugar. This side, see. Yes, candy flours. All of us, especially the small children like you love to have candy flours, isn't it? They look very nice, pink and red in color, isn't it? So they are what? They are made up of fluffy spoon of sugar. Okay, so they are made up of sugar. So, and they have there they use food color like this pink color, or sometimes dark pink. Maximum we get dark pink and light pink, isn't it? So this is the picture of candy floss. It is made up of sugar. So you will join this too. Candy floss are made up of sugar. Done? Next one, we can see the picture of orange. Now what are left here? The left here is marmalade and maize. So marmalades. What are marmalades? Marmalades are jam generally they are made from oranges or lemons. Okay, so you will join orange with marmalade. See, this is orange, you will join it like this way. Okay, it's a kind of jam. Done. Now the last one is, what is this? Popcorn. Yes, whenever you are like popcorn, especially when do we like to have popcorn? When we are in a when we watch movie, isn't it? Isn't it? So in a theater, whenever we go to theater, we like to have popcorn and watch, isn't it? So popcorn. So popcorns are made up of what? Popcorns are made up of maize. You must have seen this, isn't it? So this popcorn, you will join both these two together, okay, with a line. Okay, so all of you are using pencil. So this one will match with this one. Marmalade will match with orange. Then sugar. This candy floss are made from sugar. Then butter is made from milk. Bread is made from wheat. Then raisins are made from dried grapes, isn't it? This way we have completed this chapter, this page. Okay, that is page number 46, and we have learned more about this food item that we have every day in our life, isn't it? So you will do this and please send it for correction. You are not sending the GK copies for correction for a long time, so please do the needful. And why I'm saying, because all of a sudden you will send 5 to 10 12 pages together. At that time I'll not check. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.